By now, you might have heard we're making some changes to our computing scheme of work, so let's have a look at what's new and why we've made these updates. Firstly, we've reimagined the resources with a more modern, cohesive design. Every lesson has been updated to ensure a consistent design across the scheme, making it easier to navigate and more visually engaging for both teachers and learners. As well as giving the lessons a fresh new look, we've also moved some unit themes to different years, aligning them more closely with curriculum priorities and better meeting the needs of learners. To help you plan more efficiently, we've adjusted the number of lessons in some units too. Some have been refined or reduced, while others now dive deeper into key objectives, ensuring greater depth of learning. Another change is how we're now embedding online safety throughout the year and across the curriculum. These objectives are now delivered using our To Be Safe programme, which offers short, focused sessions aligned with PSHE and RSE curricula. The refreshed scheme is ready to make a real difference in your classrooms. With thoughtful updates and new tools at your fingertips, it's easier than ever to deliver engaging and impactful lessons. We can't wait to see what you and your learners achieve. Purple Mash, one platform, endless possibilities.